Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to make a Hytale server in a simple and clear way. First, keep in mind that Hytale server tools will be officially provided once the game is fully released. So the first step is downloading the official Hytale server files from the game's website or launcher when they become available. After downloading the server package, extract the files into a new folder on your computer. Open the server configuration file and adjust basic settings like server name, maximum players, and game mode. Save your changes before starting the server. Next, run the server start file. The system will generate necessary world files automatically. If you want friends to join from outside your network, you may need to set up port forwarding in your router settings. For an easier option, you can rent a hosting service instead of running it locally. Once everything is set up, share your server IP with friends and start playing together. Subscribe the channel for more videos.